All right, guys, here we are. We've got some point P. It is going to have coordinates a comma f of a. We are going to have another point Q, and it is going to have coordinates a plus h comma f of a plus h, and h is just some distance. If this is a, then right here we've got a plus h, some distance further along the graph. And the slope of the tangent line is going to be equal to, notice I'm using m, slope of a line. The slope of the tangent line is going to be equal to the limit as h goes to 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a, all divided by h. Change in y over change in x. So let's take a look at an example where we have the function y equals x squared. And I want to find the slope of the tangent line at x equals 2. So I'm just going to draw a quick graph here. There's my tangent line. So my point here is 2 comma 2 squared. My next point up here on the graph is 2 plus h comma 2 plus h squared. That's P and there's Q. The slope of the tangent line is the limit as h goes to 0. This is awkward. I'm going to run out of room, but here we go. Of 2 plus h squared minus 2 squared divided by h. Notice 2 plus h minus 2 just divided by h. So let's do some quick simplifications. This is the limit as x goes to 0 of, well, 2 plus h squared is 4 plus 4h plus h squared minus 2 squared, which is minus 4, all divided by h. 4 minus 4 is 0, so this becomes the limit as h goes to 0 of 4h plus h squared over h. Well, 4h plus h squared divided by h is the same as 4h divided by h plus h squared divided by h. And of course, my limit properties say that I can just take the limit of the first one, which is 4, plus the limit of the second one, which is h. Oops, I forgot to write limit as h goes to 0. Sorry about that. But as h goes to 0, this is just equal to 4. So the slope of the tangent of y equals x squared at x equals 2 is 4. So I had a point, 2 comma 4 on the graph. I have a slope at that point of 4, which means that I can write the equation of the tangent line using, remember our point slope form of the equation of a line, y minus 4 is equal to 4 times x minus 2. That's the slope of the tangent line at x equals 2. Well, excuse me, that's the equation of the tangent line at x equals 2. So why don't you guys do exercises 11A and B, and then we'll come back and we'll do another example.